I'm going to show you a free tiny video method that made these guys $4.4 million from 295,000 free customers that they got for free without marketing, without selling, without experience, without technical knowledge. Any beginner can start making money in this method starting today. The best part and happy part for me, my software Epic will solve 99% of the problem, and you will get free access to Epic from the link in the description. Go get it. You will learn how easy it is to make $4.4 million and continue to earn money in 2 different ways. Yes, 2 different ways every year without any additional work. The system is 100% beginner friendly, and you can start doing it and start making money starting today without any website, without hosting server, without creating products, without driving traffic, without any experience, and without technical knowledge. You can get paid using PayPal, using bank transfer, using Stripe, or any other methods including crypto or digital currency. Before we begin, our goal of this channel is to change the lives of 100 million individuals and families by showing them how to make money online the right way and the easy way. That's why we give away free education and our softwares. All our content and softwares cost us money, but we bear this cost on your behalf in order to give back to the society we live in, to our audience, and to our loyal customers. Only your support can help us continue, and you can support us with just a free like and share. So please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family and social media like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and via emails. This way, the YouTube algorithm will know that this is a good video and a helpful video, and they should share this video with more and more people. And this is the only way you can help us hit our goal of changing the lives of 100 million people in the next 10 years. So go ahead, hit the like button, share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we upload our next how to make money online video. So your chances of hitting your first million this year are pretty high with tiny video strategy. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic, and we make $5 to $6 from every visitor we get from our videos. $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from 2 of our offers. You can use Epic to make any kind of video just like us. Udemy or Skillshare course video, YouTube or shorts video, Facebook or Instagram reel videos, and TikTok videos. There is no limit to what you can do with it. You don't need to be on the camera. Epic shows you how to make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. No need to record your voice with microphone because Epic makes natural voiceover using text to voice. Epic writes the scripts for your videos using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button, and all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using them. Let's see how these tiny bite-sized videos will make you millions. $4.4 million has been made with this photography mastery course. Check the details of this course. It has a high rating, so many students, and they are charging $14.99 for the course. Now I know you have 2 problems. Problem number 1, you see the money but you don't know photography. Get it? No problem. Problem number 2, you don't know how to create video or course module. No problem, we will show you. And problem number 3, you don't know how to make money from videos or courses. No issues, we will show you. I'm going to solve all these problems using Epic. Free link is in the description. Go get it. Now, where are they getting the customers from? The answer is Udemy. It is the #1 e-learning platform in the world. Udemy is a $1 billion company and has 97 million traffic or customers per month. So basically, Udemy is the place for 97 million ready-made, done-for-you customers per month for online courses. They are ready to buy online courses from course creators just like you. And they are willing to spend money for the value, and they have a higher attention span as they have a mindset of learning from video courses. So step number 1, don't just buy courses from Udemy, go to Skillshare. 1 month free access link is in the description. The moment you sign up free using the link in the description, all the courses on Skillshare will be open for you for a month. Unsubscribe later if you don't want to continue. Step number 2, follow a popular course, change their words to your words, make your course using Epic. The secret to do this is to take notes inside Epic in the text editor or in the canvas as you learn. Each note can become a video and a course module using built-in artificial intelligence of Epic. So here are 2 simple and free solutions. Make money method 1. Upload your course on Skillshare and Udemy and give away your course for free. Take all the free courses on Udemy. It is a popular way to get initial students. Once students enroll, ask them inside the course to give you a good review and 5-star rating. The more good reviews or positive reviews you have, the more students will come to your course. When you get good ratings, Udemy will start promoting your course and you will get free organic students. Once you start getting a good number of students, you can start charging for your course. By now, you will have constant traffic and sales from Udemy and Google. Now make money method 2. Use the same course videos and upload them on YouTube, or just make YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are very popular right now, and YouTube is pushing their new feature. The reason is YouTube is trying to make their shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So you get free marketing from YouTube if you make short videos. You on YouTube, I just searched with the keyword photography and this is what I found. You see the shorts feed? You see the views on the first shorts and the second short video? 36 million views. 4.8 million views. The next one, 33 million views and 513,000 views. 3.2 million views, 214,000 views. 6.8 million views, 7 million views. Wow. That's so awesome. Did you see the opportunity? Just make 1-minute videos and YouTube will send you all these views, traffic, and customers. Especially photography short videos are very popular right now. Upload your videos on Instagram and TikTok as well. Promote your Udemy and Skillshare course on your videos. When Udemy and Google sees more traffic engagements, they will send even more and more customers. So number 1, you get YouTube views and make money from AdSense. Number 2, give away your free course to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok viewers. Ask them for rating and positive feedback. Step number 3, this sends signals to Udemy and Skillshare algorithms about your course's popularity, and they will start ranking it. You will get free students, traffic, and customers from their platforms. Number 4, Google loves these sites. When Google will take notice that you have customers and engagements in your courses, they will send more customers to you. Continue making 1-minute short videos and keep making money. So basically, a little time spent on Skillshare, learning about photography, enjoy doing photography, and enjoying using Epic can make you $4.4 million, just like these guys, from your own course on Udemy and Skillshare. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here's a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video and we will see you in the next video.